trespass. They're out from Goldhill. Copy, party 2 trespass, 11842 Ramsey Road, 11,842 Ramsey.
Get back in the
Clayton,
car.
Jeffrey, Madsen, Willies.
Get back in the car.
People trespassing, hurt only.
Get back.
Nothing seen, no associated vehicle.
Come here. Turn around and face the car.
Got it. 6 ball level clear. Copy. Figure 8. Stand by, mutant flag down. Tom 1-1, penalty. 4 time 1. 754-2007 Lambert.
4 Lincoln 1.
4 Lincoln 1.
4 Lincoln 1, Tom 3 is out. Physical fight with his traffic stop. And you can just show me on scene.
Copy. All units Central's emergency traffic only, 1134. Figure 8 in Monroe. Tom 1, where's he at? If I northbound at 483.
The back of my truck is full of groceries. Can someone call my wife to come get it?
Full of what?
Groceries. I just come from the grocery store.
Okay.
Steve 11 to 4, Baker 8.
What's going on? What happened?
Beat the shit out of me. He turned on the lights. I pulled over. I got out of the truck. He started yelling to get back in the truck. I went, what the hell? And next thing I know, here we are.
Huh.
He started pushing me up against the truck, and I resisted a little bit.
And I went on from there, and that's probably what I saw. I was going southbound, and I didn't know it was you, of course.
Well, no.
I heard him make a traffic stop, but I was going southbound, heading back to Medford, and I saw you guys struggling back behind there, so.
Gosh almighty. Yeah, can you see if somebody calls Judy? I got all the groceries from the grocery store.
Oh, yeah. Well, he's talking to the boss now to see what figure out what they need to do, and we'll make sure that.
What? Did you say why you stopped me?
I didn't hear. Well, like I said, all I heard was the traffic. I have no idea.
Mm.
Yeah, I don't know what's going on.
Jesus Christ.
Did you hear him tell you to get back in the car or anything?
I sure did, but I'm going, it's a broad daylight. I'm a retired deputy sheriff from this county.
Yeah, he
And,
doesn't know that though. He's a new guy.
well, that's why I
Have you
told
ever
him.
met him?
No.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, if he...
My head is bleeding, isn't it?
You're scratched, but you're not bleeding, so... Yeah, no matter what, we'll make sure that everything...
That's an experience of a lifetime.
I can imagine. I guess it's bizarre being on the opposite end there. Surreal, I would think. It's
29 years. I've never treated anybody like that.
Yeah, I don't
I
know
mean,
him
it's
very well.
like I got out of the truck with a fucking gun. I mean,
Yeah. But he doesn't know, and I don't know, I can't, that wouldn't have happened between you and I, of course, you know that, so. But the guy doesn't know yet, and,
Yeah.
he's kind of out here, so.
yeah, Jesus Christ.
Shit, now you're going to get everybody to do the look-see thing, so.
Oh, well.
Well, I want to make sure that your stuff gets taken care of, so.
Yeah, everything, I was trying to get my driver's license out. Everything was in that packet. Credit card.
Yeah, it's all been picked up and under the truck and your glasses, and I went ahead
425, goes on scene.
and stuck them in. He took them, Franklin took them, and I put them in the car.
I don't get it. Yeah, my mouth is dry. These handcuffs are tight. Nobody carries belly chains.
Yeah, you're bleeding down there.
Well, he's loosening too.
Pretty much almost the whole way, too. Yeah, those ones are mine. And you're bleeding on your wrist a little bit there.
Mm.
I suppose you could sit and put your hands down in there. There's
No way in hell.
I'm in the area.
No.
Resting back, okay?
No.
Come on out. Watch your head when you stand up.
Got it?
I'm gonna need help here.